Traders Anthony here. So we can see the Dow Jones is correcting, the FTSE, German 40. Volatility index, we've got this price gap here, and we can see some green candles coming into play. Right, so this has moved right down into this key area here. So I'm wondering whether we see at the end of the week now, the stock markets, we see the S&P, the US 100 following these guys. And do we get a bit of a retrace? This is well and truly overdue for a decent pullback, that's for sure. I'd like to see something like that happen. End of the week, do we see this change direction? I do tend to regard the German 40 and the FTSE. I kind of see these as a leading indicator. We'll see what happens, but counter trend trade short the S&P, the US 100. Possibly. Be careful though. So that's just a quick take on these stock indices here. With that, I hope you have a great day. Click the links below, by the way. Check me out, and we'll see you in the next one.